As a property manager, building manager, or business owner, you depend on the roof of your business, apartment complex, church, or other building for a lot of things. When your roof becomes damaged, there is a pressing need to have it repaired quickly and efficiently. As you may know, emergency commercial roofing repair like apartment complex roof shingles or church roof shingles can be very expensive. Whether your damage is from debris impact due to storms or other occurrences, or just natural wear and tear, your commercial roof is important. You naturally want to do everything you can to ensure the longevity of your roof's life. We offer full 10, 15, and 20-year labor and material warranties on all roofs. Save time and money by repairing your home or business roof instead of replacing it. Our commercial roofing installation and repair services will allow you to continue with business as usual. We focus on our customers and their satisfaction. We intend to provide the best quality roofing installation and repair services for your home. We work with both commercial roofing projects as well as residential roofing projects.